In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to see new analytics features on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars. Now scroll down until you find the option of account type and tools. Click on that. Now you will need to switch your account to the professional account. Just follow the on-screen instructions and complete this process. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now navigate to any of the posts. Click on Insights option. Now here you're going to find redesigned analytics interface with more detailed tracking tools. One of the biggest updates is granular engagement timing, which lets you see exactly when users interact with your content, even down to seconds on Reels. For carousel post, you can now also see which specific slide was on screen when someone liked your post. Another major feature is post-level follower growth, which shows exactly how many followers each individual post or Reels brings in instead of just their total growth. Instagram has also added deeper content metrics like share rate, skip rate, and views over time, helping you understand how your content performs long term. You can now even view audience demographics for each post, including age, gender, location, and interest of the followers gained from that specific content. On top of that, Instagram now offers competitive insights, allowing you to compare your performance with other accounts in terms of growth and activity. With the redesigned UI, everything is easier to navigate and understand at a glance. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.